This is a final video to fix voice chat completely gone on Roblox. And if you've been struggling with it, you're not alone. Are you frustrated because your Roblox voice chat just disappeared and you can't talk to your friends? This usually happens when your account settings block voice chat or Roblox servers update certain permissions, making it disappear without warning. You've probably seen tons of videos online showing complicated steps, installing extra software, or changing tricky settings that are hard to follow. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that works in seconds. All you need to do is check your account age and privacy settings, make sure voice chat is allowed, and toggle it off and on again. It resets Roblox and brings your voice chat back instantly. This method avoids confusing downloads or long tutorials, and it works every time. If you want, comment below, and I'll make a full step-by-step guide, so you can fix it perfectly without any hassle.